Hey there. I just wanted to make a quick video to show you where you should be going. So you're going to go to My Katie Cloud, click on Canvas, and then open it up here. So you should have in your dashboard only the only the courses that you're assigned for, which should just be Challenge or whichever one else you have in there. And then the really only place that you have to go is right here for fourth grade. I'm not sure what you're seeing with first through fifth. I thought maybe you were talking about the grade levels, but really you're only going with fourth grade. This is not the fourth week. So when you get to fourth grade, this is what you should look at. This is the only thing, the only click list you need for right now. So I embedded your Symbaloo so that you can find any of those links that we've used in class. This is the lesson from last week. This is the homework from last week. This is the lesson from this week. This is the homework from this week. So when you click on your lesson, just open it up and you need to follow all the way through this. It'll be the same format every week. You can even pop it out if you want to print it or you want to see it larger there. So you go through the whole lesson. There's different things, vocabulary, interactive, Kahoots or games or Nearpods, things to read, things to think about, things to make. You do not need to turn anything in except for this part in orange, which is called the reflection, okay? Every week you turn in the reflection. That is the only thing you need to turn into me. So for this week, you need to listen to the song and answer these two questions into a paragraph form, okay? And then you're going to submit it on Canvas. So this is just the lesson, okay? So I've gone through the lesson. I'm ready to submit my assignment for the week. So what you're going to do then is you're going to go back to home or to modules. I had my lesson. I'm going to go to my homework. I'm going to click fourth homework. I retyped the question here for you so that you can see it again. The links are there again. You click submit. Okay. I've already shown someone how to do this, so it already says submitted, but that's where you check to make sure that you did complete it. So click submit. There are 3 ways that you can submit. For fourth grade, you're going to need to at least submit with text so that you can practice your writing. So you can do that 2 ways. You can upload a Google Doc or a Word file or anything else that you have on your computer. Maybe you made it in a slide, whatever. So you just add that. You can also just do it here by texting, typing in your text. Same Word tools are used right here that you can change. Upload links, pictures, whatever you want. You can also record media. So this is a video that comes up and uses your webcam. Just start recording. Tell me what you're doing. Click stop and save. And then you submit your assignment. So make sure you submit each part. And then it'll tell you that it's complete. So in your modules, if you are looking at all of these, make sure that you're only finding the one that's just appropriate for you. Okay. Underneath your fourth grade lesson, you have a button for logic. This does not have to be turned in, but it is a good practice if you want to do some logic puzzles. If you're not sure how to submit it, I have a video here, and there's additional resources here. So I waited for you for a little while on that 12:30 meeting for Zoom, but I just thought this would be easier. That way we're having trouble connecting. So let me know if you have any other questions. Thanks.